Yes, thank you. So first, let me go and uninstall commcare on my mobile app. So I'm clicking uninstall. So you allow the phone to uninstall. I'm allowing my own commcare device to uninstall. So it has completed. I now go to my Play Store and then look for the Maggie's commcare. You use the search. Let me actually do it. So I look for the Maggie's commcare. So this is what it looks like. I'm clicking install. Then this should take about a minute or two based on your network strength. Okay. So apparently network is good here with my MTN. So it has completed. So it's now going to give me the opportunity to open the app.
Do we have different com cares? Like this one, you said is the Maggie. Do we have
Yes.
different? Sorry?
I'm inclined to think so. I'm actually not 100% sure, but either we always look for the Maggie. The Maggie is the company that created it. So I'm going to click open now. I'm open. So we are going to allow as much as possible, allow phone call, allow location, allow access to photos, audio, allow for audio too. So for this session, of course we're entering. We're going to enter code. So and if you remember, the code we are going to use is the one I shared earlier.